Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में, डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में. Admissions open.
As India awaits Lok Sabha election results scheduled for June 4, various pollsters and news channels published the much-anticipated exit polls predicting a sweeping victory for the National Democratic Alliance led by the Bharatiya Janata Party. According to their projections, the NDA is poised to secure seats between 361 and 401 out of the total 543 parliamentary seats, hinting that NDA is set to make a mark in southern states as well. If the predictions hold, meaning it would mark a historic mandate for the BJP-led NDA government, surpassing its previous performances in the 2014 and 2019 general elections. Looking at the stunning victory for a third term, reports suggest that the BJP is planning a big political event at Bharat Mandapam or Kartavya Path to celebrate the Lok Sabha election 2024 results, which 8,000 to 10,000 people would likely attend. Contrary to the opposition's claims that southern India is anti-BJP, exit polls predict the BJP doing remarkably well in the southern states and likely to emerge as the single largest party in those states combined. The BJP-led NDA is likely to open its account in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, while a sweep is predicted in Karnataka.
Regarding Karnataka, if we discuss about restricting about the Karnataka prospectus, I have told entire state. According to my views, in Karnataka, more than 25 seats, JDS-BJP combination will going to get.
The BJP is predicted to open its account in Lok Sabha elections in Tamil Nadu, with state party president K. Annamalai poised to win the Coimbatore constituency for BJP.
It's a very acrimonious election where the opposition parties, led by Congress, they tried every tricks in the book. In fact, they went for broke. They threw the constitution to the wind. They spoke all lies. They felt their chances now or never. After this, looking at the exit poll, it only reconfirms what we have been speaking all along, right from day one of the polling. The Honorable Prime Minister was very clear that the Honorable people, they are going to bless us with an increased margin, and this will be better than 2014, better than 2019. BJP on our own will be reaching 370, NDA on our own will be reaching 400.
India Today Access My India has predicted a tight contest in Coimbatore. Access My India MD Pradeep Gupta said that Annamalai is trailing in Coimbatore. The two seats where the BJP-led NDA may win are Theni and Tirunelveli. In Coimbatore, the second largest city in Tamil Nadu, the BJP fielded its firebrand leader and state chief K. Annamalai against former Coimbatore mayor and DMK leader P. Ganapati Rajkumar and Singai G. Ramachandran of the AIDMK.
भाजपा जीतेगा पक्का है. आपका मन में शंका है क्या? मोदी जी तीसरा बार प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा. जनता मोदी जी के ऊपर भरोसा रखा है, किसी के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं रखा है, केवल मोदी जी के बारे में विश्वास रखा है और भाजपा के ऊपर, एनडीए के ऊपर विश्वास रखा है.
Meanwhile, in a bid to counter the exit polls, Congress on Sunday fielded around 10 state party chiefs or legislature party leaders to present their calculations on the results, which painted a favourable picture for the Indy bloc. Anchored by Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh, the Congress-led exit polls expressed confidence that Congress and its allies will win at least 295 seats.
Less than 24 hours, 100% confident.
Totally. And not just Thiruvananthapuram. I'm also 100% confident that the numbers you've all seen in the exit polls for the nationwide picture will also be belied tomorrow. Thank you all very much.
15 to 20 will win. I've already made it very clear in Karnataka.
Center, sir.
Center also, our president has already made it very clear that the India and its partners will win 295 seats.
In 2019, the exit polls for the 2019 and 2014 general elections conducted by various agencies were almost accurate. In 2019, the exit polls predicted an average of 3 to 6 seats for NDA and 120 seats for Congress-led UPA. However, the actual results were significantly higher, with NDA winning 352 seats, of which 303 were secured by BJP alone. On the other hand, UPA was restricted to a mere 93 seats, of which Congress had secured just 52 seats. For this election season, PM Narendra Modi set a target of Ab Ki Baar 400 par for the NDA alliance, and it seems the BJP-led NDA is indeed inching closer to the big figure, while BJP alone is aiming for more than 370 seats.